other than conflict of interest, there has been a problem of officers who have stayed in one station for long. Not at your level. Junior officers for 9 years, 15 years, 7 years, 8 years. They have local interests. They have ventured into businesses there in the local area. They are part of the local community. Some of them have married their first or second or third wives there, so they have relatives there. And they are the ones who have entered into the unholy alliance with some of the people who are destroying the country. And they are the ones even who arrange protection fees. So the commanders are actually introduced into this thing when they arrive. We'll show you how things are done here. And some of those junior officers can be very rude. They even, in some instances, insubordinate their superiors. And they tell their superiors, we have been here for 10 years. We saw other people, they came and went. So likewise, you hang around, you'll also go, you leave us here. Now, we have talked about this issue of 3-year transfer policy for too long. And I just wanted to communicate that all the officers from all the agencies who have served in one station for 3 years and above will be transferred starting today morning across Kenya. Across Kenya. That is a directive from government. It has to be complied with, and the IG and all the other those who are responsible have been directed that all officers, that the 3-year transfer policy must be implemented without fail. And that exercise begins today.